Kidbrooke Advisory App. The pros, the cons. Kidbrooke Advisory is a financial advisory app aimed at helping investors manage and grow their portfolios with professional guidance. But is it the right tool for you? Starting with the pros. First, personalized advice. Kidbrooke tailors recommendations based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and current investments, giving a truly customized experience. Second, goal-based planning. Whether it's retirement, buying a home, or saving for education, the app tracks progress and provides actionable steps to stay on track. Third, multi-asset support. Users can manage stocks, ETFs, and mutual funds all in one place, giving diversified exposure without juggling multiple platforms. Now, the cons. One limitation is fees. Personalized advisory services often come with higher management fees compared to DI investing, which can affect long-term returns. Another drawback is limited trading autonomy. Some advanced investors may feel constrained by recommendations and prefer full control over their trades. The surprising truth? Many people underestimate the value of personalized advice. Having a structured plan and guidance from professionals can prevent costly mistakes and improve the probability of reaching financial goals. In conclusion, the pros: tailored advice, goal tracking, and multi-asset support make Kidbrooke Advisory ideal for investors seeking guidance and structure. The cons: fees and limited trading autonomy suggest that experienced traders may want to supplement it with other platforms.